William Morris was a British textile designer, poet, artist, fantasy writer, architectural conservationist, printer, translator, and socialist activities associated with the British arts and crafts movement. He was a major contributor to the revival of the traditional British textile arts and methods of production. William Morris was a prominent figure in the British arts and crafts movement during the late 19th century. He was born on March 24, 1834 in England, and he passed away on October 3, 1896. Morris had a wide range of talent and interest. As you mentioned, he was known for his work as a textile designer, where he played a circle role in revitalizing traditional British textile arts. His designs incorporated intricate patterns inspired by nature, often featuring flowers, leaves, and animals. He believed in the importance of creating beautiful and well crafted objects, as he felt that the industrialization of the time had led to a decline in the quality of goods. In addition to his textile designs, Morris was also a poet and writer. He wrote a number of poems, often exploring themes of nature, love, and social justice. His best known poem is probably The Earthly Paradise, a collection of narrative poems inspired by medieval literature and folklore. Morris was also involved in the field of architecture conservation. He had a deep appreciation for historic buildings and was passionate about preserving themes. He played a significant role in the establishment of society for the protection of ancient buildings, which are made to safeguard historic architecture from destruction or inappropriate alteration. As a socialist activity, Morris was deeply concerned about social inequality and the plug to the working class. He believed that art and beauty should be accessible to all people and should not be limited to the wealthy elite. He advocated for the rights of workers and was involved in various socialist organizations, including the Social Democrats Federation and later his Socialist League. Overall, William Morris led a lasting impact on the arts and crafts movement, promoting traditional craftsmanship, social reform, and the integration of art into everyday life. His legacy continued to influence designer, artists, and activities to this day.